Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be looking at some Make It Mini appliances balls and this Make It Mini food set. It has some surprise items. I did get this on sale at Target. So on the back of the box, it shows all the food items that comes, and it has a lot of varieties: pizza, waffles, ice cream, along with a toast dessert and a drink. So let's get right into it. So I did grab two of the Make It Mini appliance balls, and they weren't on sale. That's why I only did get two. So we're gonna open those in a minute. I'm gonna get to the food pack. So I did get one surprise bag, and then I had one surprise box item. I'm gonna open that in a minute. So we have some Marshmallow O's cereal. It looks like Lucky Charms to me. And then we have some almond milk. Here is a bowl. We have a spoon, and I have a waffle on a plate. And then it's a fork and a spoon. We have some fruit, strawberries and pineapples, I believe. Here is some maple syrup. And we had an additional waffle in a box. And here's some lemonade resin. Have a mason jar with a straw. Here are some lemon slices. We have a bag of ice for the drink. Okay, adorable, a pizza box. We have a pizza crust with sauce on it, cheese resin, pepperonis, pineapple chunks. Here's a cute ice cream bowl. We have some chocolate sauce. Here's some whipped cream. Here is ice cream with chocolate, lime, and strawberry. Now let's open up the surprise packages, and we'll see we have some toast. We have some tongs, this cute mini pizza slicer, and a little topper for the resin. Here are some cute table placemats. Here's a little book holder or a place where you could store your recipes. And then let's not forget the instructions or warnings for resin. Here is the recipe guide so that you can follow to ensure all your treats come out beautifully. I'm going to be making the pizza today, and then we're going to open up the balls so I can look at the appliances. That's what I'm most excited about. So now I'm going to make the pizza that came with the set and look at the instructions to follow along. I'm going to add the cheese resin, pepperonis. I'm not using the pineapple chunks. I'm going to use my little mini UV lamp, cure it, and then put it in the box. So now that it's done, here is the cute pizza. And now, Make It Mini appliances. What's really cool about these surprise balls is that you know what you're getting, you just don't know the color. So I'm gonna open up the espresso maker and then see what color I got, and I got the mint green, which is the color that I wanted. It is a bit overscale, but I'm gonna use it anyway. In one of the packages, you get the dishes, you have 2 plates, you also get 2 little cups, and then you also get some spoons, and the dishes are really cute. Here we have some whipped cream, which came in the other package. And here is the coffee resin. So what you're supposed to do is open up the machine so you can put the coffee resin into that slot. I'm not gonna do that today because it looks a little messy. So here is the collector's guide with all of the available appliances. I did buy the soda fountain machine. I'm gonna open that up next. So here is the soda fountain machine. As I mentioned, you just don't know the color. And on the back of the collector's guide, it shows all the instructions so you can know how to use the appliances. So I'm going to open up the soda machine appliance ball to see what we get. And I did get the red one. Here is how it looks out of the packaging. It is some light assembly required. And then this is the container with the resin. just to show you the scale, here's my Barbie doll with the machine, and then here is the dishes, which doesn't look too bad in her hands. And then there are instructions for the resin plate. I also forgot to show you that the soda machine did come with some cups. I forgot to show you that, I'm sorry. But overall, I did enjoy opening all the items today. My very favorite is the espresso maker. I think it's just cute. It actually goes with the aesthetic of this particular diorama. So that was awesome. At any rate, thank you so much for tuning in. Have a wonderful day and bye.